10th, I am going to solve some question, and the first question is, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then we have to prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn. Now have a look. If we take left hand side, means m square minus n square, so we can write tan theta plus sin theta whole square, and here the value of n, that is tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Now if we open, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab, but here is minus, so here is plus, that is 2 tan theta sin theta. See here, a square plus b square minus 2a, but here is minus sign, so this is minus, and this is plus. Now tan square theta cancel, sin square theta cancel. Now 2 tan theta sin theta, 2 tan theta sin theta, 4 tan theta sin theta. Now we can write this by applying under root, then we have to write it in the square form, and in the next line we know that sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So 4 here tan square theta minus, when we apply this here, so tan square theta can be written as sin square theta minus cos square theta. Cos square cancelled, and here is sin square theta. Now we know that a square minus b square, a plus b, is tan theta plus sin theta, and tan theta minus sin theta, and we know that tan theta plus sin theta is m, and tan theta minus sin theta is n. So that is our right hand side. Now class, in this sum, if x is equal to r sin alpha cos beta, y is equal to r sin alpha sin beta, and z is equal to r cos alpha, then we have to prove that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Now I am going to take left hand side. So here is x square plus y square plus z square. The value of x is r sin alpha cos beta square. The value of y is r sin alpha sin beta whole square, and the value of z is r cos alpha whole square. Now if open it, then r square sin square alpha cos square beta plus r square sin square alpha sin square beta, and here r square cos square alpha. Now if we see here, then we can see r square sin square alpha is common. So here is cos square beta plus sin square beta plus r square cos square alpha. Here r square sin square alpha into, we know that cos square beta plus sin square beta is 1, so here r square cos square alpha. Now if we take r square as a common, then sin square alpha plus cos square beta. So here r square, we know that sin square alpha plus cos square beta is 1, so r square, this is there, so r square into 1 is equal to r square. Here class, in the next sum, if cos alpha upon cos beta is equal to m and cos alpha upon sin beta is equal to n, then we have to prove that m square plus n square into cos square beta is equal to n square. Now if we see the left hand side, then m square n square, m square plus n square into cos square beta. Now the value of m is cos alpha and cos beta whole square, n is cos alpha, sin beta whole square, and here is cos square beta. Now we can write cos square alpha upon cos square beta. Here cos square alpha upon sin square beta. And multiplication with cos square beta. Now if we see in the numerator, cos square alpha is common, so we take common. So here is 1 upon cos square beta, and here is 1 upon sin square beta, and here cos square beta. Now if we take the LCM, so here is cos square beta into sin square beta, here sin square beta plus cos square beta, and here is cos square beta. Now if we see cos square beta cancelled out. Here is cos square alpha into, we know that sin square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1 upon sin square beta. So here we can again write cos square alpha upon sin square beta, and that can be written as cos alpha upon sin beta whole square, and we know that cos alpha upon sin beta is n, so here n square. This is our right hand side. In this sum, sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. If we take left hand side, so sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Here we can write sin square theta whole cube and cos square theta whole cube. Here we have to apply a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b means sin square theta plus cos square theta, then a square means sin square theta whole square plus b square means cos square theta whole square, minus ab means sin square theta cos square theta. Here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here sin square theta whole square cos square theta whole square. Now I am going to add 2 sin square theta cos square theta and also subtract 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and the last one sin square theta cos square theta. So here if we see this section, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, so this can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, and minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta 3 sin square theta cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, so here 1 square minus 3, so 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is our right hand side. Now in this sum, sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta cos square theta. This is we need to prove. Then 2 sin square theta minus 1, and then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So if we take the left hand side means sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. So here we can write sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square, and we know that a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, So 1 sin square theta minus cos square theta. So here is sin square theta minus cos square theta, and this is the first one which we need to prove. Now after that, right from here I am going to solve into two parts. That is, if I see sin square theta minus cos square theta, and here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, and here is minus cos square theta. So here is 1 minus 2 cos square theta, 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is the last section which we need to prove. And here if we see again sin square theta minus cos square theta, so here sin square theta can be written as well, and here cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So sin square theta minus 1 plus sin square theta, and that is sin square theta plus sin square theta 2 sin square theta minus 1. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta, 2 sin square theta minus 1, and sin square theta minus cos square theta. In the beginning actually this part will not be there. Here should be 1 minus 2 cos square theta.